Students, we discuss today circle. So circle is a very important topic for the class 5th to class 10th, and that is very useful in your coming exams. Okay, so circle. So before starting circle, we have to discuss about what is circle and how it is useful. So circle is a locus of points which is always equidistant from a fixed point in a surface. As you saw in the board, this is the point. If in that point we take some points which is equidistant from this point all the side, if we join these points equidistant from that fixed point, that is called center. That a figure or that is a locus of these points is called circle, because circle is a 2D figure made by many points which is equidistant from a fixed point. So this is called a circle, and the fixed distance from the center of the circle from all the points in all direction, that is called radius. What is called? Radius. If we discuss another circle, this point is called center of the circle. That distance which is passed from one side, one point of circle to other point of circle, that line passing from center of circle, that is called diameter. This is called diameter. So what we know about diameter is just double of radius. So one concept is clear here. Diameter is always 2 times of radius. This is a formula made by these concepts. So diameter is 2 times of radius. So what is diameter? What is radius? Again, radius is the fixed distance from the fixed point through the locus of the point. You can say that the distance between the fixed point and the points from the boundary. Okay, and diameter is the distance between any 2 points of circle, boundary of the circle, and that line is also passing from the center of the circle. Yani ki center of circle also. Okay, that is what. Now move on the next concept. Friends, we have to discuss about circle today. You know, a circle is a 2D figure made by different points from a fixed point. So how it is made? Made by a point, a fixed point, and many variable points outside their boundary, but the distance between that fixed point and that is always equal. So circle is a locus of point which is equidistant from a fixed point, and it is 2D figure. So that fixed distance from center, or that is fixed point, to the boundary is called radius. And if we see the another figure here, any 2 points, joining any 2 points of circle through center, a line passing through the center joining 2 points of any circle is called diameter of this circle. So if we see that figure and that, so we say that the diameter is the double of radius. You can also say, understand it like that. The relation between diameter and radius is diameter is double of radius. You can say that diameter is 2 into r. We represent radius small r and diameter is small d. Okay. After that, the place covered by that circle is called the area of circle, and the boundary of the circle is called circumference of the circle. So how can we find area and circle? So by using formula and some concept also, practical method also included, but we discuss here only formula. So for finding circumference of circle, we use a formula. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So one question arises here, what is pi? What is pi? Pi is a simple ratio of any circle. So what is which two points here in ratio? So pi is the ratio of circumference upon its diameter. See, okay, any circle, any type of circle, you take your mom's bangle, hula hoop circle, or any circle you take, the circumference and the diameter ratio gives a value, constant value, that is 22/7. Okay, 22/7. Pi is a simple ratio. Sometimes we use the value 3.14. Okay, so when we discuss circle, again the question arises, what is circumference? How it is circumference? If we make a thread and put it on table in circular way and make it straight, that's and measure it by your scale, that is the circumference. And after the diameter, so before the diameter, measure its radius, and the double of radius is become diameter, and the ratio of diameter and circumference and diameter become your pi. Okay, so after that, the place covered by this circle is called its area. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. You can say that pi into radius square. Okay, pi into radius square. And again, if 2 points joining without touching the center of the circle, what is the name of this line or these many lines? So this is chord. What called? Chord. Okay, so chord. Understand? After that, we discuss in next video.